Welcome to the Chocolate Mindfulness Retreat in Grand Cayman, a 6-day immersion designed to help you build bold boundaries. You'll be surrounded by remarkable women: Kim Roxie, founder of Lamique Beauty; Maeve Wang, co-founder of Iambic; Khadesha Okwudili, founder of Agape; Dr. Kittles, founder of Ella Consulting; Yelena Sichoki, founder of Nakan Life and Wellness; Molly Thomas, founder of Luxury Cayman Villas; and of course, Melissa Mueller-Douglas, creator of Chocolate Mindfulness. Each day balances rest and growth, from mindful movement to crystal caves and bioluminescence waters. Masterminds by day, sunset chats by night. It's a luxurious rhythm of reflection and renewal. Past participants say they felt in flow, at ease, and seen daily. They love the intentional rest and permission to say no. The space to simply be present by the ocean. Preparation begins before we arrive with a virtual meet and greet, 21-day challenge on the My Retreat app, and post-retreat reunions to sustain momentum throughout 2026. You deserve this pause, a circle of executive women redefining success through boundaries, rest, and brilliance. Join us in Grand Cayman and experience what it feels like to be fully present, deeply connected, and boldly confident.